All right, everybody. We are in Hollis, Alabama, where they have a haunted chicken house, man. You ever heard of such a thing? Ghost chickens. This is the front of the place. Unfortunately, it is not open, so we are not able to go in and look around. But I figured we could have a quick look-see at the front of the place for all those scary people that like to see scary stuff. Check it out. Sorry about the wind and the noise, but we woke up this morning to it being cold. Last ride. Got hearses everywhere. There's my car. But back there is the haunted chicken house. They got haunted hay rides, haunted train rides. It's all kinds of stuff they do out here. It's pretty neat. So if you ever get to Hollis, come check out the haunted chicken house. And no, they are not affiliated with me in any way, shape, or form. Just thought it was pretty neat. But don't forget to like and subscribe.